Hi, my name is Felix from Arani, and today I'll give you a quick overview of our new shoebox lineup. Previously, we had two separate lines, a 120 volt and a 347 volt. Now we've simplified the lineup and they all support both to make any future installs simpler for you. The new lineup includes three new versions, a 100 watt, 200 watt, and 300 watt. All models are power selectable, CCT selectable, DLC premium, cULus listed, wet location rated. They operate from -40 Celsius to 50 degrees Celsius. They support 0 to 10 volt dimming, are rated for 50,000 hours, and include a 5-year warranty. In terms of lumen output, the 100 watt delivers up to 15,000 lumens, the 200 watt delivers up to 30,000 lumens, and the 300 watt delivers up to 45,000 lumens. Each fixture supports 4 mounting options: trunnion mount, slip fitter, yoke mount, and direct mount, allowing you to choose the most appropriate mounting option. If additional functionality is required, the fixtures are compatible with our photocell, motion sensor, and backlight shield. We also offer poles that go up to 35 feet, along with pole adapters, tenon adapters, and bullhorns. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to reach us at service@arani.ca or 888-99-ARANI.